In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to use and configure the AJAX proxy within Portal. Now this feature is very nice because it allows you to make AJAX type calls to external services so that you can do cross-domain AJAX requests, and you can also provide single sign-on through the AJAX proxy. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to show you how I'm using it in one of my samples, which is called WCM Utilities, to make a request to grab a list of libraries from WCM. So here I have Firefox, and you can see that I have an error down here in my logs that shows that I'm making an AJAX request to a server, but I'm getting an error. Now if I actually right click and I open this up, you can see that the error is because the AJAX proxy, which I'm going through, and you can tell by the URLs, WPS my proxy, you can tell that it's being rejected because it says request blocked by AJAX proxy. Now, what I have to do is configure the AJAX proxy to be able to access my servers. Now, I can do that by opening it up so you can make AJAX requests to all types of URLs, or you can restrict it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Portal Info Center, and here I am in Portal 6.1 Info Center. And I've done a quick search for AJAX proxy configuration. The next thing I'm going to choose is the examples of AJAX proxy configurations. And now I have an example of an XML file that shows a configuration for URLs that are star, so all URLs. So it's basically opening up the AJAX proxy so that you can make AJAX requests to all types of servers. What I want to do is to use this particular policy because it's very simple and it's very easy for me to do. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this example out, and then I'm going to go to my my Portal server, and I have it as a mapped drive here, and I'm going to navigate to the AJAX proxy configuration installed app, which is in my installed apps directory, and there it is. And I'm going to drill down into the proxy config. So all I have to do is right click and edit this guy. And now I'm going to just add in my policy that I just copied out. And you can see in here that it actually has some defaults. One to go to www-o3.ibm.com and everything underneath that, or going to Redbooks. But I'm just going to add it so that I open it all up. So all I have to do is save this out. And now I just have to restart the server. So if I come back to my SUSE server, I can just restart it. Now that the server is restarted, we can go back to our portal and we can do a refresh. And now you can see that the AJAX request is actually working. Oh, let me log in. And after logging in, you can come back and do a refresh. And now I get my web content libraries